Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're also new, thank you for stopping by. So guys, I'll be showing you guys how to make Bandika hairline cornrow before you can install it on the hair, just like on my last video, which some people is requesting that I should make a video where I make it. So that is exactly what I'm here to show you guys. So as you can see on the video, I started with a smaller quantity of, as I'm braiding, I'm adding to it until I get to where I had to add the large quantity. But the starting of it, you had to start with a smaller quantity of the braid to achieve the tiny look on the cornrow. So when you as you proceed, you add more of the braid. So if you want it to be big, like you want the braid to look so bolder than this one, you can still add more quantity as you proceed. So that is how you can achieve this hairstyle. And this DIY of the cornrow I used on the last video I make. I also did another pattern for you in case you want to do the one of twisting. Like I as well did a DIY on how you can do the one of twisting. That's if you want it to be twisting pattern, not the braided one. So you also see it on this same video on how I twisted it all through. So guys, I will allow you guys to enjoy the video. Please don't forget to comment, like and share this video. Till we meet in my next video. Bye.